Here's the grab bar from a 60s era Sportster. I picked this up on eBay. It's had a rough life. Someone tried to file it, I guess, for some reason. It's also really not symmetrical. These mounting tabs require that I have to mount it slightly rotated to get it centered on the bike. But as you can see, it's pretty rough. I already did some initial grinding on it here. There's some flashing that did come off, so I did that already. But you can see it's really rough. It's been well loved, I guess, or used. I'm going to try to get rid of some of this corrosion and make it look a little better. So I'll get to it. I'm going to use some 320 grit sandpaper, which I have here, and some 4/0 steel wool. Okay, let's get started.
Well, here it is. I finally got the Sportster, I think, where I want it. With a scrambler seat, that vintage 1960s grab bar, polished up. It's not perfect. It's got some character. It's 60 years old. and I think it fits great on the 883, and I think it's a really nice accessory for this bike. That's what it needed. A little something on there, passenger to grab onto. Yeah, mostly aesthetics. No, I don't have passenger on there all the time, but it looks damn good. Too bad they stopped making that. The hardest part is drilling holes in your fender. Knowing that you're drilling holes in the bike, I think, is the hardest part. So, anyway, let me know what you think. If you want any more details or anything, just put it in the comments. Be happy to get back to you. As you can see, I don't have tons of views, so it's really easy to answer any questions you may have. All right. Well, thanks for checking it out. And again,